Okay, for today I got these problems on these rotors where it make a squeezing sound. Okay, okay. Let me show you how it sounds like. You hear that? So as I look on the YouTube to see how they do it, and just try whether it's working or it's not. Either one. I think because of the oil or dirt, that yes, as what they say, is probably true. And you can see the tire that is so sandy, muddy, and just need to open up this caliper and and try to clean up the pad. Okay, now the caliper is open up, and I just need to clean off the the pad. Okay, I'll show you how. Firstly, I need to clean this, see whether how dirty it is, because I got no this camera stand, so the only thing just to show you how dirty it is. Okay, so there seems oil on the cotton cloth on this disc brake. So what I'm gonna do next is, yes, the brake pad itself need to be cleaned off by using, later on I show you. Okay, by using this, some of them are using liquid type, but I'm using this. And so by cleaning using this wire gauze, it's much more simpler. Okay, so I don't have the tripod. I'll show you later when I finish. So without the burner, I'm using a cooking burner to for the rest of the residue, like oil, grease, or anything, until it's red hot. Okay, thank you. Okay, as there's no tripod to show you, okay, I already installed it. Alright, see, I'm alone, there's no tripod, and yes, just put it somewhere near the cabinet where it can hold my phone. Alright then. Okay, let's see. That's good. Yes, it's working. Yes, no more squeaking. Yep. Yes, it's working. Rather than a blowtorch, do the simplest one first. Yeah, if not, it will be squeaking all day. Yes, the whole neighborhood will be sounded like an alarm. Now it is really, good. It works. So thank you from YouTube too. See that? It's better. So it works. Thank you guys. Okay, so that is the fastest as about 10 minutes stop doing the cleaning of the brake pad, and the squeezing sound is no more. As I see from YouTube, this is much more simpler, as I think. Use a gas stove and cleaning by wire gauge. Then that's about it, and thank you. Hope you'll be watching me again soon regarding a bike for this moment. Okay, thank you guys.